can I do today to make me not think about going back to work? I don't care what they say. I'm enjoying mine to the fullest. I live my summer like dog years. Say we got 10 days left, I'ma treat it like I got 20. I ain't going to no stores because they got the back to school stuff up already. I just Instacart everything. I get my groceries delivered because I don't want to see all the pens and pencils and backpacks and erasers and all this stuff. I don't want to see that. They not going to bring none of them to school the third week anyway. I'm in summer mode until the last second. I'm in Cozumel right now. Now my cousin and them just moving to a new apartment complex and they got a pool. Alexa, why are school supplies already on sale?
Sorry, I don't know that.
Teacher friends, please don't post stuff like this. That's a sad sight to see in the summer. Put my earphones on when everybody starts talking about going back to work. Going back to what? This year, I'm gonna be a why guy. When they ask me something, I'm asking why. Mr. Brown, you happy to be here? Why? Are you getting your classroom together? Why? Mr. Brown, what did you do for the summer? Why? Mr. Brown, you seen your roster? Why? You gonna teach the same thing this year? Why? Why you keep saying why? Why not? Alexa, what is the teacher's net worth?
Sorry, I'm not sure about that.
Neither is the district.